So it's the new head. This is the old one. TXV up here. Put a little bit of nylon on here. Just a look. That's enough. Alright, the important thing is don't tear this up. This is my first one ever. Changing the guts. I ain't trying to tear this up. Alright, so gotta fix the head. One more turn. I'm gonna call that good. I don't want to tear this thing up. Whoops. That's the new one. Alright. This is the old, and this came out.